Alright guys, this is Gubro here with another video. Today we are unboxing the brand new OnePlus 6. The OnePlus 6 is just came out this week, so I quickly bought one. This will be the midnight black version, the 8GB 128GB version. So the box is just like any other OnePlus boxes. A nice 6 is here, the OnePlus logo on the top. On the side you have OnePlus 6. On the other side, the speed you need. This is the tagline for the 6, the speed you need. Alright, and on the back obviously the sticker with all the numbers. Right, okay, the phone is available in a number of different versions. In mirror black, that's the shiny one. This is the midnight black. This is not as shiny, and it will be available in white. Also, it is available in 64GB, 128 and 256GB versions. For the 64GB version, the RAM is 6GB. For the 128 and the 256GB versions, the RAM is 8GB. So let's see what's in the box. Right, okay. Straight away, this is the phone in front of us. It doesn't come out. Oh, it does, okay. So the phone, below the phone, we have the dash charging brick. This is the UK version, obviously. We have the well-known red USB cable. It is USB-A to USB-C, and it's important to know that in order to reach the dash charge, the quick charge, you need the brick and the cable both. Okay, otherwise it won't work. All right, let's see what's in this little box. Oh, it will be a case if I manage to open it up. Right, okay, nothing else. So we have a SIM ejector, some paperwork, and this is a supplied soft case. Nothing special, but more than nothing. Right, okay. Let's see the phone. The phone itself has a 6.28 inch full HD plus screen. It has a notch on the top, and as you can see the back, this is the shimmery midnight black version with an S. The shine gives out an S when you move it. So it has a double camera, a dual camera in the back, a flash, fingerprint reader, and the OnePlus logo. On the side we have the well-known alert slider from OnePlus. This time it is on the right hand side, and then we have the on-off switch. On the other side we have a volume rocker here, and we have a SIM tray. Top, there is only a microphone. On the bottom we have a USB-C cable, USB-C plug, and another microphone, and a 3.5mm plug, socket 3.5mm socket. That's something unusual. When we look at it size wise, this is a Huawei P20, not the Pro, the normal P20, the dual camera one. it is a fair bit larger. This one has a 5.8 inch display, this one has a 6.28 display. Let's try to turn it on, so straight away we'll see the difference. Yep, so as you can see, it's a fair bit larger, this screen. The chin is much smaller on the bottom, but the Huawei has the fingerprint reader on the front, whereas the OnePlus has it on the back. The top, the notches are roughly the same size. Maybe the OnePlus is notched a little bit larger. But apart from that, this is an LCD display, IPS LCD display, and the OnePlus has an AMOLED. Alright guys, this is the unboxing video. I will come back with benchmarks. Thank you, peace out.